Good morning, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today we are having a Shemodern Saturday, just not a Halloween edition. We have on my nails my base coat by Sinful. I have 3 coats of twisting leather lacquer. It's called Warm Apple Pie. It's pretty sheer, but oh, I wish you could see. This has got flaky glitters. It's got hollow. It's really super pretty. But we're going to be doing some Shemodern over it today. I have out some leaves and roses. So we're going to be doing those on my nail today. I have my little bottle from Shemodern where I put my drops of water on my palette from Shemodern. It's a mixing canvas actually for when you're using your pigments. Take your bottle, also put some water on top so it is soaking in your water. Those don't take but maybe 10-15 seconds to separate from the backing paper. I'm going to put the rose on and hopefully attach the leaves for a fall look. I thought these colors would look great together with this polish. I really like it. I won it from Nail Skills Mom on Instagram in her giveaway. Thank you, Tammy. I appreciate it very much, and I do love the warm apple pie. I couldn't have picked it out better myself for me, so I appreciate that and I thank you. I do need my trusty tweezers here for picking it up. I'm going to put a dot of water there and put my water up. Hope you're all having a nice day today. It's early in the morning. I always film early in the morning. I don't know why. It's where it's the quietest or when it's the quietest. Okay, these are ready to come off the backing paper, so I'm going to put some water on my nail. I do need a cotton ball. Trusty old cotton ball. I'm going to pick up my rose, place it in the middle of my finger. Whoops. And once again, it stuck to me. Too much water on my finger. Whoops. And it's still sticking. You get my cotton ball and dab it. Whoops. And it stuck to that too. It's not good. Whoops. We're having a problem today with my rose. And I just lost it. That's not good. We have to start over. Sorry for this delay, but I lost the rose. I know it is somewhere here on this paper towel, but it's not on the cotton ball anywhere, so I don't see it. So I have to start with another rose. Cut off your excess, which I did before. Now I just have to take the time to do it now, so this is going to make this video just a little bit longer, and I apologize for that now. Hopefully this is your early morning video that you watch with your trusty beverage, your cup of coffee or some hot tea, or maybe it's pop or water, whatever, and you're enjoying yourself and relaxing. I am going to submerge this back in water. My leaves are ready, so I'm going to try for those. Whoops. Sometimes you got to play with the water decals, as you see. Mine wants to curl up on me. There's one applied. So I'm going to put the rose in the middle of them so that they look like they belong together. And hopefully this works out well. But I don't know. We'll see as we go along here. Where's my water? These want to curl up on me, which tells me they're not quite wet enough. Whoops, and now they're both stuck to my fingers. Having a little bit of a problem here today. Just a tad bit of a problem. Get my other leaf back. And it has folded on me. You have to be careful with these water decals. They are very thin. But my leaf has folded, and I'm trying to straighten it out. Sorry about the delay and the silence. I've never had this much trouble with a leaf before, or a Shemodern decal. This one just doesn't want to cooperate today. But somehow we're going to make them work. I promise you that. My rose is ready. Let me take a quick look here. I don't know if you can see this and how well you can see it. I have a bit of fuzz. Whoops. Just lost the rose too. Actually, no, I found the other rose. What I did. Lost it and then I found it. I am going to take... Oh, I can't find my stuff. Water-based top coat. I'm using Clear Coat by Broadway. It was $1 at Dollar General. I'm going to go over the decals first with this. Don't forget to cap your nail. When this dries, I will be going back over it with my Sesh Feet. This is my trusty go-to top coat. It's a fast drying top coat, and it does work beautifully. Take your cotton ball, clean up your mess here on your mixing canvas, discard that. And we're back to a clean canvas here. Let me put some of my objects away. Hope you've enjoyed this. I'm really, really sorry this was so long. It shouldn't have been. I was having problems with my decals today. You just have to have the right amount of water. I'm going back in with my Sesh Feet. Cap the ends with that as well. And we are all done. I really wish you could see this better on camera. I know there's a glare for the TV and then the light, but the polish isn't showing up as well either. I don't know if this helps, if you can see the sparkle. This is really, really beautiful. It's an indie polish. It's another reason why I like it so much. It's not store-bought. You can't find this anywhere but with her. Look her up on Instagram. Twisting Nether, Nether, Lacquer, Nacquer. Her name is Cassie, Kasi. Give her some props on her nail polish. It's really, really pretty and great for this time of the fall year. Well, hope you enjoyed this. Leave me a thumbs up, a comment please. Let me know how you felt about this, but not about my delay. That was unavoidable. I do still apologize for it. Comment, thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Check out my older videos. Check out or stay around for the new ones that are to come. Have a blessed day. Thank you.